Only Wednesday last week, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, defended the proposed 1.78 trillion naira 2025 statutory budget of the FCT before the joint committees at the National Assembly complex. However, in their summon of the Minister of State for the FCT on Tuesday, the chairman of the House Committee on Area Councils and Ancillary Matters, Honorable Frederick Agwadi, clarified that budget defense by both FCT Minister and Minister of State for the FCT are two distinct responsibilities spearheaded by different committees.
Again, Parliament budget process is started by the committees before plenary. That is the transparency the entire world wants to see. And we can't be in government in the federal capital and not handle things transparently.
Members of the committee said, to the best of their knowledge, the minister had not defended the 2025 budget and kicked vehemently against carrying out any expenditure without legislative approval.
When the national, or what do you call it, the federal minister was there making presentation, none of us here were in that hall. So as far as we are concerned, is either the budget was not presented completely or defended completely from before the committee, or is halfway.
The minister, admitting her error, requested that she be given more time to prepare adequately for the defense.
So I want to make an appeal that this head of SDAs, they are ready. They have their budget. If given the time to go and look at it, they're given a timetable for them to come for the defense individually.
She will reappear on Monday, June 2nd for a proper budget session. From the House of Representatives, Ogani Victor, ITV News.